How to build an AI product app without a big teams. Okay, so do you know how to build an AI app or AI product without a big team? So many people think you need a big team to build an AI product, but today that is not true. You can build AI product without big team. Okay, so you can build an AI product with one founder, a one small team, and limited budget. So the key is to keep things simple and focus on what really matters. Start with one real problem. Do not start by thinking like I want to build an AI product. Start by asking what problem can I solve with AI. Good AI products solve clear problems like writing content faster, answering customer questions, summarization document, automation repeated tasks, improve the productivity. If the problem is real, people will care about your product. If the problem is real, people will care about your product. Okay, so second thing is build only a simple MVP. You do not need a big project or big product in the beginning. Start with an MVP, minimum viable product. That means build only the most important feature first. Okay, if you want to build an AI resume, for example, if you want to build AI resume tools, you first your first version only need resume input, AI suggestion output. You do not need to take 10 templates, dashboard, analytics, many extra features. Okay, keep version one small. Okay, and third one is use existing AI tools. Do not try to build your own AI model from scratch. Okay, that needs more money, more engineers, and more time. Instead of using existing AI API and tools, this will help you to build faster, save money, and test your idea quickly. Okay, so most small teams and startup do this in the beginning. Okay, and fourth one is use no code and low code tools. If team is small, use tool that make development easier. You can use website builder, no code app tools, automation tools, ready made backend tools. This reduce the workload and save the times. So you don't need to build everything from zero. Okay, and fifth thing is focus on one core feature. A small team fail when they try to build too many things. Ask yourself, what is the one thing, what is the one main thing my product should do really well? For example, AI writing tool generate the captions. AI learning app explain difficult topics. Okay, AI support tool answer the customer question. One useful feature is enough to start. Okay, and sixth one is launch fast. Do not wait for everything to be perfect. Build the basic version and launch it. Okay, then get feedback, improve the product, and add feature later. A small team win by moving fast. Six is seventh is use freelancer when needed. You do not need to hire full-time people for every task. For small work, you can hire freelancer for design, landing page, branding, video editing, works fix. This keeps your cost low. Okay, this keeps your cost low. And eighth is learn basic skill yourself. Learn basic skill yourself. If do not have a big team, try to learn basic things like product thinking, simple marketing, customer feedback, basic design understanding. You do not need to be an expert in everything. But basic knowledge helps a lot when your team is small. Okay, and ninth is validate before spending more. Before growing the product, first check, are people interested in it? Are they are using it? Okay, are they using it? Will they pay for it? Do not spend too much money before validation. First prove that your idea work or not. Okay, and 10th is still learn and smart. A big team is not always better. A small team have some big advantage like faster decision, lower cost, less confusion, and quicker execution. If you stay focused, a small team can build great product. Okay, so you do not need to have big team to build an AI product. You need one real problem, one strong feature, simple tool, fast execution, and real user feedback. Okay, start small, launch early, improve step by step. That is how many smart AI product begin.